Unlock a world of flexible online shopping and discover how to effortlessly use Klarna's Buy Now, Pay Later service. First things first, let's get you set up. Head over to the Klarna website or download the Klarna app from your device's app store. You'll need to create an account, which is a quick and straightforward process. You'll typically be asked for basic information like your email address, phone number, and a secure password. Once your account is created, you'll need to verify your identity. This usually involves providing some personal details and may include a quick credit check. Depending on the payment option you choose, this helps Klarna ensure your account is secure and allows them to offer you the best payment plans. Now for the exciting part, shopping. When you're browsing your favorite online stores, look for the Klarna payment option at checkout. Many retailers integrate Klarna directly, making it super easy. If you don't see it immediately, check if the store offers it on their payment or FAQ page. Once you've selected Klarna, you'll see different payment options tailored to your purchase. This could be pay in 3 interest-free installments, pay in 30 days, or other longer-term financing options. Choose the plan that best fits your budget and needs. After selecting your plan, you'll confirm your purchase. Klarna will then process the order, and you'll receive a confirmation from both the retailer and Klarna outlining your payment schedule and details. Managing your payments is just as easy. You can track all your Klarna purchases and upcoming payments within the Klarna app or on their website. You'll receive reminders for your due dates, and you can even make early payments if you wish. Using Klarna responsibly means staying on top of your payments. By understanding your chosen payment schedule and making timely payments, you can enjoy the convenience and flexibility of Buy Now, Pay Later without any hassle.